Hi everyone, I am here to give you the first review unboxing of my first influencer box. And so I did open it before, so this is my first time opening it, but I did want to show you guys what's inside. Great stuff. And the first thing I thought was so cute, because I do have a dog, and this is for my dog. It's a toy for your dog. It's like a book, and your dog can play with it, and it even has noise. They have inserts, so inserts, things like that. One of my favorite inserts is this one, which it actually gives you all the products that they have and their original pricing. So I thought that was cool. And they're full size, so you have this Suave dry spray, basically like, deodorant spray. And then they gave a thing of Sunny Delight. And they gave these crispy fruit, crispy green, all banana chips. And if you see dairy-free, peanut-free, gluten-free, all of that good stuff, the only ingredient is bananas. And these are really, really good. I definitely do, definitely think you should try these. They're really great. And then it gave something for the guys. Dove Men Care dry spray, kind of also like a deodorant or bodies, kind of dry spraying for men. And they gave this simple hydrating booster. It says it's definitely like it's gonna make your skin definitely smooth. You can put it with your lotions and things like that to give it an extra boost. And also this primer spray by Eva NYC is for your hair. So it's a 10-in-1 primer, argan oil, sunflower seed oil, everything like that. And then, like I said, also just like different coupons and things like that. So yeah, you should definitely go to influencer.com and sign up, because you get these boxes so you can get reviews, and everything was great. I definitely like this one.